Hello, what's good, guys? So today we want to see how we can create a new database in Phpmyadmin using XAMPP Localhost. So what we do, you see we are on the Phpmyadmin area. So how do we reach here? So first thing you should do is you should test if your local environment is working. So you write localhost /. Then it opens this particular website. Now while we are here, we can just go ahead and head to the database area, which in this case is called Phpmyadmin. So I click that. Now here you can see I have different databases that I've created in the past for different projects, created for PHP and also for WordPress. So here I want to create a new database. So I will click new. On the new, I will decide the name. So I'll call it MyDB. Then I will hit create. Now through this process you have just created your database, and you can go ahead and configure it with your WordPress installation if that is what you are working with. Now if you also want to, let's say you are working on a native project using PHP, and now you want to create the database tables, you go ahead and give it a name. You can call it May table. Then you decide the fields. Maybe I will do 5. So after you choose the columns, now it takes you here. So the first thing we can do ID, type is integer. Second, we can call it name. So let's just use name. So type is varchar. Next, we can go with email. Email type will be varchar. Next, we can do mobile. Type we can use varchar. Then lastly, we can use something like password. Then this password will be varchar. Now we normally know that your ID should be set as primary key. So we go ahead and navigate to the right side. Then you will see AI something here. So we'll just toggle this and it will transform that field to be primary key. And then now if we are satisfied with this, remember you can edit them later. You can also put the length. So because the ID will be primary key, we don't need the length. So here I can put 200. Email I can also put 100 characters. Mobile I can also do 100. Password I can do 255. Then after this, I'm ready to publish my database and my database tables. Now I've created it. I've created the database and its tables. So now you can see it is here. I have ID, name, email, mobile, password. So if I'm working on and also the ID is auto increment, which is a primary key. So if I'm working on a project in JavaScript or PHP, this is what I will do. So I'll go ahead and configure my project with my code, so that now my project will start populating data into this table. So that's it. Thank you for sticking to this end. Ensure you hit the subscribe button. You like this video. That is the only way you can support us, so we appreciate that. So that's it for now. Until next time. Thank you.